Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Marketplace at the bottom of your screen. Once Marketplace opens, tap the sale button. Then choose the item for sale. Now it's time to add your item. First, take clear photos, use good lighting, and show the item from different angles. Clear photos help you to sell faster. Next, add a title, keep it simple and clear. Now write a short description, explain the condition, size and any problems honestly. Buyers like honest sellers. After that, set your price. Look at similar items on Marketplace to choose a fair price. You can always lower it later if needed. Next, choose a category and confirm your location. This helps nearby buyers find your item. Before posting, decide on delivery or pickup. Most beginners choose local pickup because it's easier. And that's it. It's how to sell on Facebook Marketplace for beginners. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.